hot glue, activator, and oops. Hey guys, so I'm gonna be making slime. So first off, you top with some glue, an activator, and shaving cream, and some beads. So yeah, let's get on to it. I'm gonna be making jiggly slime. Fluffy slime that's jiggly. Okay. Open it up. What? Oh. I'm gonna mix it. It's gonna be fluffy. It's gonna be so fluffy. Alrighty, guys. If you're done, then you're gonna add some activator. If you want to, but I'm gonna add a little more shaving cream. That's enough. Now I'll be adding activator. Guys, so I'm gonna show you a bubble. Let me see if I can do it. Oh yes. Here, I'll show you the crunchy noise. It's so satisfying. And it's so fluffy. Yeah, it's so fluffy. Like I cannot stop playing with this. Guys, this is really fluffy, but I'm going to show you the bubble test. Hopefully the bubbles work. Oh, not yet. Oops. And then I'm going to show you the swirling and the popping. So here's the bubble. Oh yeah, bubble. Ready? Makes crunchy noise. I'll show you. This is the best slime, guys. Ready? It's time for some beads. I'm gonna lay them out and see what color I want. I'm gonna add some white. And you guys know you don't want to see white, so I'm gonna add. Guys, make sure you subscribe and give me a huge thumbs up. So, thanks for watching my video, and you should try this at home, so